Today we're diving into a groundbreaking advancement that is redefining how the U.S. Navy approaches defense: the laser weapon system. The laser weapon system represents a significant leap in naval defense technology. Developed by the United States Navy, this system moves beyond traditional weapons, using directed energy to neutralize threats with unprecedented speed and precision. This is not just a glimpse into the future. It's a reality that's already being deployed on modern naval vessels. In this video, we're going to explore what makes the laser weapon system such a game changer, how it works, its tactical advantages, and the role it plays in current naval operations. The laser weapon system is a directed energy weapon designed to defend naval ships from a variety of threats. Unlike conventional weapons that rely on explosives or kinetic energy, the laser weapon system uses a concentrated beam of laser light to engage targets. This high-energy laser can disable or destroy drones, small boats, and other potential threats with remarkable accuracy. But how does it work? When the laser weapon system targets an object, it focuses a beam of light with such intensity that it causes the target to overheat. This can lead to the malfunction or destruction of the target, depending on the laser's power setting. This level of precision is what sets the laser weapon system apart from traditional weapon systems, allowing it to engage small, fast-moving targets with ease. The laser weapon system serves several critical functions in naval defense. One of its primary roles is countering the growing threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones. Drones are increasingly used in warfare for surveillance, targeting, and even direct attacks. The laser weapon system can target these drones before they approach a ship, using its laser to disable their sensors or bring them down entirely. Another vital application of the laser weapon system is in defending against small, fast-moving boats. These vessels can pose significant risks, especially if loaded with explosives. The laser weapon system offers a non-explosive method to neutralize these threats from a safe distance, preventing them from reaching the ship and causing damage. While the current generation of the laser weapon system is optimized for these types of threats, there is potential for future upgrades that could extend its capabilities to intercepting larger and more complex threats, such as incoming missiles. As part of a layered defense strategy, the laser weapon system could work alongside other systems to create a robust shield around naval vessels. One of the standout features of the laser weapon system is its cost efficiency. Traditional missile defense systems are extremely costly, with each missile potentially costing hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. In contrast, the laser weapon system operates on electricity from the ship's power supply, making each shot significantly cheaper, often just a few dollars worth of energy per shot. This low cost per shot, combined with the system's accuracy and flexibility, makes the laser weapon system an attractive option for continuous defense operations. It allows the Navy to engage multiple targets without the logistical challenges of storing and resupplying traditional munitions. The efficiency of the laser weapon system lies in its ability to provide sustained defense at a fraction of the cost of conventional weapons. The laser weapon system was first deployed aboard the USS Ponce, serving as a test bed for evaluating its performance in real-world scenarios. This deployment allowed the Navy to gather critical data and refine the system's capabilities, paving the way for its potential integration into other vessels. Advanced ships like the Zumwalt-class destroyers are particularly suited for future installations of the laser weapon system due to their integrated power systems, which can generate the necessary energy to operate both the ship's propulsion and its advanced weapons. This integration is crucial, as the laser weapon system requires a substantial amount of power to function effectively. However, like all technologies, the laser weapon system has its limitations. Its effectiveness can be influenced by weather conditions such as rain, fog, or dust, which can scatter the laser beam and reduce its power. The Navy continues to research ways to mitigate these issues, such as enhancing the laser's power or using adaptive optics to maintain beam focus in various atmospheric conditions. While the laser weapon system is an impressive addition to the Navy's arsenal, it's not the only technology being used to defend naval vessels. Let's take a look at some alternative systems that complement or provide different capabilities compared to the laser weapon system. CRAM is one such system, designed to protect ships from anti-ship missiles, drones, and aircraft. It combines the advanced targeting and tracking systems of the Phalanx CIWS with rolling airframe missiles, offering a longer range and the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. CRAM operates autonomously, but can also be manually controlled, making it a versatile defense option. CRAM, or counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar, is another crucial system, primarily used on land, but also applicable in naval contexts. It utilizes radar and a modified phalanx gun to detect and destroy incoming projectiles, providing a rapid response to indirect fire threats. RAM, rolling airframe missile systems, are another critical component of naval defense, particularly for close-range engagements. These missiles are guided by infrared sensors, allowing them to track and neutralize threats with high precision. The speed and agility of a RAM make it an effective last line of defense against incoming missiles. Finally, there's the Phalanx CIWS itself, often considered the last line of defense for naval ships. This system uses a 20 mm Gatling gun capable of firing thousands of rounds per minute, creating a wall of lead that intercepts and destroys incoming threats. Over the years, Phalanx has been continuously upgraded to counter emerging threats, maintaining its role as a critical defensive system. In conclusion, the laser weapon system represents a transformative shift in naval defense technology. Its ability to neutralize threats at the speed of light, combined with its cost-effectiveness and precision, makes it a formidable tool for the U.S. Navy. As we've seen, the laser weapon system is not just an experimental concept. It's an operational system that's already making a difference in how naval vessels are protected. The laser weapon system's role is likely to expand as the technology continues to evolve, potentially becoming a standard feature on a wide range of ships. However, it's important to remember that the laser weapon system is part of a broader defensive strategy that includes a variety of other systems, each with its strengths and applications. Now that you've learned about the laser weapon system and its impact on modern naval defense, what are your thoughts? Do you believe this technology will become the backbone of future naval warfare? Or do you see other innovations taking the lead? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more insights into the world of military technology.